Woodfung Machinery Company Limited is professional supplier of the woodworking machinery like edge banding machine, sliding table panel saw, drilling machine, CNC router, and cold press, etc. Our associate factory is located in Shandong and our office and showroom in Dongguan. All our products are past the CE testing. These powers are 100% fully load burn-in testing to make sure the quality. We have professional engineer support, high efficiency sales team, and competitive price superiority, and attract customers from all over the world. Our own brand, Woodfung, already exported to over 40 countries. Also have distributor in Chile, Russia, USA, Chile, Bolivia, Peru, Pakistan, etc. Since 2016, we have achieved great progress and development. Our associate factory are equipped with the CNC machining center, laser beam cutting machine, bending machine, and die casting machine. Our R&D department provide the strong technical support and enable us to receive some OEM, ODM projects. Our associate factory can manufacture about 1,000 pieces edge bander per month. We are a reliable supplier of the edge banding machine and table saw with 15 months warranty. We are looking forward to get more cooperation. Welcome your inquiry to our Woodfung Machinery Alibaba website.